Welcome students. In the last video, we discussed the basics of functions in C++ programming. In this video, I am going to create a program in which I will define a function that will calculate the square of a number. So above the main function, define a function to calculate the square of a number. This will enhance the understanding of functions in C++ programming. So first type the return type of the function, that is int. Then type the name of the function. This function will calculate and return the square of a number. So the type of this function, name of this function is square. And this will take one number, integer number, as parameters. And in this function, calculate the square of a number. So create a variable integer result and set this equal number multiplied by number, which is the square of a number, and return this result. Now this function is returning the result, which is the square of a number. Now if you call this function in the main function and give this a value 10, and if run the program, you can see nothing happened, because this function is returning a value. To return a value, you must create a variable result, create a variable result of type integer, and set this equal square, and now give this the number as argument. And now this program will call this function, and the value returned by this function will be stored in the result variable. Now you can print the result variable to see the square of number. Square of number is result. Let's run this program, and you can see it displayed the square of number is 100. You can directly type function name and the arguments in the cout statement, and you can see the result will be same. The square of number is 100. Let's ask the user to enter a number, and then we will use that number to calculate the square of number. Create a variable of type integer number and ask the user to enter a number. Sorry here. Now use the cin statement to store this value entered by the user into number variable, and now the pass that numbered variable as argument to this function and run this program. There is mistake, semicolon is missing. Run again, and you can see it displayed enter a number. Let's enter 8, and it displayed square of number is 64. Let's run again, and you can enter another number. Enter this number. Let's enter 5, and it displayed the square of number is 25. So we successfully created a program that asks the user to enter a number and will display the square of that number. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.